Hello students, welcome back to your computer class. So last class we discussed about the requirements for getting an internet connection. So we learned what are the basic requirements you wanted to have before getting an internet connection. So in today's class we are going to discuss about how to open your web browser and computer and how to work in that. So first let's learn the steps how to open Microsoft Internet Explorer, a default web browser which we can find in the computers. So this is the most popular web browser for internet. It is a part of your Microsoft Windows operating system. To open this Internet Explorer, we have certain steps. The first step is you have to click on the Start button, and second step, click on All Programs, and third step is you have to click on Internet Explorer. Once you click on that, a window will be appeared on your screen. So these steps you can do only in Windows 7 operating system. If you are working in Windows 10 or Windows 8, then you have to follow the steps which I'm going to show you now. So the steps which I am displayed here, that is only for Windows 7 operating system. For Windows 8 and 10 operating system, the steps will be like you have to click on Start button, and you can find the search box here. Type internet spelling, so that when you type internet you can see a name called Internet Explorer on your search box. So click on that. When you click on that, Internet Explorer window will be appeared on the screen. So this is what your Internet Explorer window. So if you're following the steps which I showed you for Windows 7, then also you'll get the same window, whereas the steps are different for Windows 8 and 10 and Windows 7. That's the only difference, but the screen of Internet Explorer is same. So now let us learn about various components of Windows Explorer, that is the names present, that is the names used on your window. So you all know that this is your close, maximize and minimize, or maximize is also called as a restore button, and this top one is called as your title bar, and this is your back button, and this is your forward button, and this box is called as your address bar, where this is the place where we type our website address to open on your web page. So this area is called as a web page. So if you want to see any web page on the screen, you should type a website address in the address bar. So this is your address bar, and this is your search box where you, so click the search button to search anything on the internet, like a question mark appears. Type the word or paragraph or a phrase, whatever you want, you can type in this search box. And this is your refresh button. So this button is called as a refresh button, where sometimes it is likely that you are unable to open a web page completely. So if there is any problem in web page, then you have to click on this refresh button, so your web page will get loaded again and a complete web page will be opened. And back button is used for, suppose you have opened different web pages in the same window, the back button is used to go backward from the current page to the previous page. And this forward button is used to go forward in a direction opposite to your back button. And this is your command bar, where you have few commands in the command bar, that is home button, favorite button, settings, and you have, let's think about that. So these are the 4 different commands you have. And first is your home button. Home button is used for let you go to the home page. Home page means for this web browser, which is the starting page, it will take you to that page. That is what the work of your home button. And your favorite button is if you add any favorite websites in that, so that whenever you open a web browser, you no need to search for it, directly you can go for this favorite option and you can click on that link to open your required websites. And on settings you have a few things, that is you can take a printout and you can save a web page, that is using your save as, you can save your web page, and you can zoom in or zoom out using this options. Then you can delete a history, or you can turn on some informations, cookies you can off. So all those things you can do using your safety, and rest of the things are also given. Like if you wanted to know about Internet Explorer, you have option like about Internet Explorer, so you can learn from this if you don't know how to work in this Internet Explorer. So this is your help button. So these are the commands you have in your command bar, and this is called as a tab number 1 and tab number 2. And when you click this button, new tab, you will get a third tab on your screen. So like this, you can open n number of tabs on one single web browser. So this is the commands on your window of Internet Explorer. So now let me type a website address, that is www.google.com. So this is the website address I typed in this address bar, and I will click on this go button. So when I click that, you can see immediately on my web page. So this is my web page. You can see that the web page is open. If it is not properly open, then I can use this refresh button to load again. So it is loaded and came. If you have any problem, then you can use this button. If you doesn't have any problem on the web page, then you no need to worry. And this is your search box. You can type anything on the search box, like if you wanted to know about a computer, then you can type in search box, or like you can type computer in the search box and you get many links. So this is your hyperlink. You can see the mouse pointer has changed to hand symbol. When I click this, it will take you to the next page, as I said in the previous class. If you don't remember, please go through the video of that, and you can scroll down to see your web page, and you can study all this. So the letters which you can see is your electronic form. This is what I said in the previous videos. And if I wanted to go back, then I can click this button so that you can come back. So this is what the page we opened previous to that, and you can scroll down to see other links. So you will get many links for one topic. So likewise, whatever queries you type in the search box, you get many answers, and you can search, you can find it, and you can learn from this internet. Hope you are clear with this. And you can open the other tab as well. So now I am in this computer web page. If I click home button, you can see that we went back to the starting page of your Internet Explorer. When it got open, this is what the page you got. So home button is used to how many pages or how many websites you open, it will take you to the starting point. That is what your home button. Hope you are clear with this. So we were in the computer page. Now we came to the starting page of your internet web browser. And you can open another tab, and you can type an address called cartoonnetwork.in. So you get this cartoon website, and you can open that, and you can read, or you can watch, or you can see that videos from internet. Hope you are clear with the topics which I taught you today, that is about your address bar. If you wanted to use an address bar, you should know the website. Hope you are clear with. So now this page is not loaded properly, so what I do is I will click this refresh button to load once again. So with this, we have come to an end of this lesson. So if you have any doubts in this internet lesson, please do comment in the comment box. In the next class, the notes will be given for this lesson.